And you see this? Candles. I'm addicted. I'm addicted, really. Look. I don't know if that's gonna work out. Oh my god. Ta-da! Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay. That's it! Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to one more vlog. So now it's exactly 11:35. I just woke up, I had my breakfast, and now I am here studying the Bible. I have like all the sites that I'm searching right now, and I'm doing like a huge sum up of what I'm reading. So I'm so excited with this new study. I'm so excited because I love like knowing more about God, knowing more about his life, what he did, and it's amazing because I was feeling that my devotional was not enough for me, you know, like was so fast, and even if it's not fast, I felt it was fast. But anyway, so I'm here, I'm really happy, and I just decided to share with you guys, and that's it. And guys, just an observation and also an advice: if you are going back to train like in a real gym with weight, respect yourself, because like I am totally in pain. Okay guys, so here's the thing. Really, I forgot how it's nice to read a book. I just felt to say that if you can read a book, maybe your mom or your dad have a book like the shelves and you just can grab it. It's so nice to read and it makes you a peace, you know what I mean? Just disconnect of this crazy world and connect into yourself, and for me into God. So it's amazing. Okay guys, so basically my day was literally chilling. I have the study for the Bible that you guys watch it. I read a book, and also I saw like a billion YouTube videos. Edit the video. No, it's not the video you're watching right now. It's another video. But anyway, I just felt to say something that is normally a lot on my, I don't know the name. When you open YouTube and have a lot of suggestions like, oh, watch these and watch that, normally appears a lot to me like what I eat in a day and all those stuff, because I enjoy seeing it. But I don't know, I just was thinking about, and that can be really toxic. I saw thumbnails like exactly what I eat in a day that changed my body type and my body blah blah blah. We don't have the mind that like we eat and our feelings. I think we eat differently, most of all if you don't do like a strict diet or something. But I used to have an idea that people who has amazing body, like really toned and sculpted, and you know what I mean, they were free, like they can control their lives. But time passed, and with God, like I started to notice that most of those people, they're really thin or really, you know what I mean, malhada, you know. Most of these people live in a prison, so they just don't allow themselves to eat anything else. I'm not saying here don't be healthy, no, it's not what I'm saying, but I think has a limit between being healthy and between being paranoid. So I don't know, you know, I was just watching the thumbnail and I was like, man, I need to say, and I need to speak. So here am I, and that's it. And you see this? Candles. I'm addicted. just came to my room and it's messy as you guys can see. Good morning. I just did my breakfast. Look how beautiful. I came here so we can chat about life, and I had also my frappuccino. Today I just woke up with the wish of eating. Oh my god. And it's about that we're gonna talk. I don't know about you guys, but for me, like, body issue was something really serious in my life, and I really was like paranoid with some stuff, and I would never allow myself to have the breakfast I really wanted or to eat more and I know I need it. You know what I mean? I'm not talking here about gula. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm really talking here is that sometimes, I don't know about you, but I don't know about you, but I'm barely 22. Anyway, I already did a diet. I went to a doctor. So I know the diet to be healthy, you know, but in another way, this diet is for me to lose weight. So what I want to talk with you today, guys, don't be the person, don't do that to yourself. If you wake up and you want to eat something that you know there's not on your old diet, or that you know there is something that maybe will have more calories, allow yourself to do that. Because I think when we
start, no, I'm not gonna eat this, I'm not gonna eat that.
When you see you are eating a lot of healthy stuff and you eat more calories than if you had respected yourself. So it's the famous fit fat. That's it. Welcome to one more day in my life. I know in quarantine it's not so nice. Oh, it's nice, but I don't know for you. For me it's awesome. Anyway, that's it, people. I love you all, and I really hope you have a great day, and let's catch up. Stick with me. Bye bye. Okay, so my arm is actually in pain, but we need to do this. Yeah, we need to do this. So, oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Look, if I don't, now it's okay, but see, pay attention. See? It's like flying. Okay. I don't know how I do that, but I just woke up without this on my pillow. Like,
What are you doing at night, honey?
and the last one, the edredom, the blanket. And our buddy. Okay, the last thing, some vanilla smell. Oh my god, I forgot how this is good. Oh my god. That's a wrap, and now I'm going to drink my glass, the bottle of water, right? And I will have my time with God. So we'll catch up later. Okay guys, so I just finished my study and also my devotional, and we start editing as always. So that's what we have. Yeah, kind of cool with the flowers. flowers. Yeah, kind of cool, I guess. That's a really good warm-up. Really good one. Oh my god. Man, just grab water and drink while you're doing your exercise. It's amazing. This here, it's gonna be gone. Hey guys, so shower time. And oh yeah. Good morning, you all! It's almost good afternoon. It's like almost 12 o'clock. And yesterday I passed makeup, so that's why I'm a little bit with black things around my eyes because I don't know how to take makeup off. But anyway, I'm here and my bedroom is like a mess because I don't know, it was like so long without going out that when I said, okay, I'm gonna choose the outfit, I was like, so here I just started to do my bed, and everything because I am, man, this outfit, come on. Oh my god. Anyway, here the mess, and here also yesterday I put everything inside my wardrobe. Anyway, I'm gonna organize here. I'm so happy I organized this because it's so nice to have everything like organized, and you know, I love it. Okay guys, so this, it's like really gorduroso, I don't know how to say that. In here everything we washed. Great job. Okay guys, hello. So I just come back. Man, look at my hair. I am so like with a wish of sleep, you know. It's Sunday afternoon after eating and I just come back to Instagram. So if you don't follow me, I'm pretty active there. Now I'm gonna take this makeup off because, you know, I need. Guys, when I have like a lot of makeup, it's not a lot, but you know, I guess when I pass mascara, I feel that I have a lot of makeup. So I just Ooh, I think you're gonna fall or not. Oh, yeah. Just a second. I just start getting the cotton because now you learn the name. Get the remove to remove the makeup. Start with my eyes because what takes me longer, and I don't know you guys, but I always be like with dark things in my eye. Have a look, see what I said? Yeah, I don't know what I do. Pew. Oh yeah, without any makeup. Ooh, that feels so good, everybody. Okay guys, so it's actually another day. I just forgot to do the bye-bye of this video. Man, this angle is awful. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna be like this. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, for supporting me, and comment down below what you think about this video, what you think I could show you guys, what you want to see here more in our channel. And that's it. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week, a wonderful month, and that's it. Love you all. Bye. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Like, man, it's broken. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Okay guys, so this, it's so common. Look at that. Man, there is water all over. Oh my god. Really, Victoria Canal.